Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use BlueStacks on PC and laptop, so let's get started. First, you have to open up the BlueStacks app, and if you want to import files, just click on System Apps, hit on Media Manager. From here, just wait for it to load. Just hit on import from Windows and it will open up your file explorer, and just import the files or the documents that you want to upload to BlueStacks, or you may simply want to click on export to Windows. After all of that, if you want to increase the performance of BlueStacks, you may do so. So go to the settings, which is located at the bottom right corner, which is the gear icon down there. Make sure that performance is selected, and from the CPU allocation, you may want to click on the higher version. Typically, it's set to low, but you can just click on medium or high. But you may also want to consider the CPU allocation that is compatible with your PC. So to do that, you may want to go to Windows Start button and just type in system information. Open this up, and you will have all the information available in which is compatible to your PC. And then the second one is to go to memory allocation. You will just need to go to the higher part or higher version, which is for me is 4 gig, and make sure for the performance mode set it to high performance, and the rest you can just customize it whatever you want. And then go to graphics. Make sure on the graphics engine mode you set it to performance and the graphics renderer to OpenGL, and just make sure to save the changes. For the rest, you can customize it according to your needs and your wants. If you downloaded an app or a game, that will show up here on the BlueStacks home screen. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.